Euro against US dollar this week has rise in value, and we can see the week started with this bullish candle here. The price formed a small bearish candle, and then the price started to move upwards, where the price reached at 1.08846, which was expected in the previous week analysis. Now the price has formed on the Friday this another bullish breakout above this resistance level and closed the day above these open and close candles prices, which is also very important levels for information for the bulls. This week has closed as another bullish breakout. In the previous week, we had this bullish candle going above 1.07825, which was a strong resistance level, now acting as a support level. And we can see the price has confirmed this bullish breakout and formed another one on the weekly time frame, which means this is another bullish breakout above 1.08846. Monthly time frame shows us that currently we are in the bullish breakout at 1.07825, which is also very important information for the bulls. Now we have 2 more weeks until this month close, so everything's still open. I will not make any conclusions, but currently what we can see, the prices moved up above 1.089. We can see a very important resistance level, where the next level would be around 1.08098. Now the weekly time frame shows us a bullish breakout, which needs to be confirmed in next week. That means the next week candle should not close below this one, below 1.08846. And to see much more clearly this information, we can see that this daily time frame, a bullish breakout format on the Friday, should not go down on a Monday or Tuesday, closing below, which would indicate a failed bullish breakout. For now, this bullish breakout needs to be confirmed on a Monday, so if the price stays above on the Monday, this will be a very good signal for the bulls, where the next target will be around this level, 1.0947, which is very close to this resistance level. This is a trend line which is formed, and it is posing a resistance for the price reaching 1.09860. So what will happen on a Monday? It's very important just to see if the price closes below this support level. This will be indication that there is a possibility, selling pressure that could push the price first to this price level, very close to this one, 1.085, and below that it will be next one around this area here, where we can see the price had problems between the buyers and the sellers this week. This is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.